Hello again. Welcome back to SOS 232. As part of our introductory module, there's just one last video that we need to review together, and that is on how to download not your datasets, but the code books that go with the datasets onto your own computer so that you can have quick and easy access to these code books. I'll explain more about the code books in our first module together, but the main thing now to do is to simply download those files onto your computer so you can have them on hand at the start of our time together. Okay? And again, we want to go to the same place as where our databases are. We want to go over here to our left-hand menu, okay, our toolbar, and we want to go to Datasets, Codebooks. Okay. Now we've already downloaded the datasets, and so now what we want to do is download the codebooks that will allow us to make sense of the data in terms of the specifics, the specific survey questions that were asked within each field of data, and how the responses to those data points were coded. And again, we'll go over all those things in our first module together. But the main thing now is simply to download those code books. And we want to, as before, right click on our mouse and go to Save Link As. Okay, and it's a fresh start, and let's go to our SOS 232 folder in our Documents drawer. Okay, and I'm going to my SOS 232 folder, and there's my databases that I've already downloaded, and I might call this folder Codebooks, just to keep things organized. And this is not as important, but let's go ahead and use the same file naming convention as before and add our last name to it. And then I want to go ahead and save. And then the next database, or the next codebook, is our Health Information Network Trends Survey. And we want the hints data, and we want to save that link as, we want to save that codebook as hints variables, and it will default to the same place as the GSS codebook is. And then we want to go to the Monitoring the Futures codebook. We want to save that link out by right-clicking on our mouse. Save Link As. And here we go. And that marks the end of our session on how to download our code books. And that marks the end of this short video series on just gearing up and getting ready for our class together. Okay? Module 1 will be posted shortly, and there'll be more instructional videos within that module. Okay? But to the extent to which you follow through on each of the videos, you should be up and running and ready to go for the first day of class. And so congratulations to you.